So hi, Megan.
Hi.
We are here at Buchla And Friends, and you're here with Null Modular, right?
Yes.
So what exactly do you have?
So today we're debuting a few different things that we're designing. We started actually with the modular synth cases, 40 HP and 84 HP. They're all flat packable cases, eco-friendly materials, all 100% recyclable. Our packaging, we use eco-friendly inks. Everything's recyclable. We're also debuting our 3D printed stands. They're all print in place, plant-based material that's all biodegradable.
And then the most exciting piece.
Yeah, these are synth dusters that have different accessories, hat accessories. You have the spiky head, the noodle hat, and the cat ears. So each one comes with different accessories, the mustache, and 2 different glasses. So you can actually place those on here.
And then you just take it out and you can dust off your modules.
Yeah, you can dust off your modules here. It's a super soft brush. You can catch dust super easily on it. Works really well.
So if somebody was to see these online and wanted to get them, where would they get them from?
Well, they'll be available online on our website on nullmodular.com pretty soon. But today we're just debuting them, seeing how everybody reacts to them. Everybody seems to really love them, so we'll probably offer them in a few different colors and probably some customizable options as well. So, yeah.
Brilliant. And what is a kind of price? Do you have a price on the
today
cases?
We're selling the brushes for $20. Oh, another feature too is that it actually has a container in there, so you can put screws and different things in there, and the accessories fit in the head as well. So today we're selling these for $20. We haven't settled on an exact price point yet. $20 today, and then the stands that we have are $25. And we actually have a version that locks as well. So this one here has a locking mechanism. So when you're gigging or taking it around with you in your backpack, it locks in place. You can just take it.
Nice. So thank you very much for speaking to us.
Thank you.
And have a great show. Thanks,
Thanks
Megan.
so much.
Cheers.